Hello everybody, today I'm pleased to present you this beautiful Castagnari Dinn II, in great condition, very gently used. It is a diatonic button accordion in the key of B and C. On the treble side we have 23 buttons and 2 sets of reeds. On the bass side we have 8 buttons and 3 sets of reeds. And now I'm gonna play you some pieces to demonstrate the sound.